Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start, this podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday evening, September 23rd, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of industry and manufacturing news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is IEA flags energy security risk as production drops at existing oil-gas fields. A new report by the International Energy Agency warns of heightened energy security risks due to declining oil production levels globally. The rate at which outputs of oil and gas fields are decreasing has accelerated significantly. This underscores the importance of exploration efforts by companies like GEMXX Corp, OTCZ, in maintaining production levels. Investors can find the latest news about GEMXX Corp in the company's newsroom. Mining Newswire, a specialized communications platform focusing on the global mining and resources sectors, offers a wide range of services to help companies reach their target markets effectively. For more information, visit Mining Newswire's website.
Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd. advances production of Nexus platforms following Australian government grant success. Critical Infrastructure Technologies Ltd., a leading developer of autonomous mobile communications platforms, has started production on the first 3 Nexus platforms after receiving a successful Australian government grant. Nexus 1 and 2 are expected within 10 weeks, and Nexus 3 by the end of January 2026. Following completion, demonstrations will be held with major mining companies in Western Australia, the Australian Defence Force, and Emergency Services departments. Production for Nexus 4 and 5 will begin in November 2025, with 1 unit heading to Poland for final fit-out and a European product roadshow in March-April 2026. CEO Brenton Scott highlighted the Nexus platform's potential for defense, border security, surveillance, emergency services, and mining sectors.
Investor news breaks. Golden Triangle Ventures Inc., OTCGTVH, signs LOI to acquire Texas electrical contracting firm. Golden Triangle Ventures Inc., OGTVH, has signed a letter of intent to acquire a Texas-based electrical contracting firm that generates over $6 million in annual revenue with no debt. The contractor serves clients like Starbucks, Gold's Gym, and Planet Fitness, and will operate under Golden Era Development. The leadership team and workforce will stay in place under a 5-year compensation plan. CEO Javier Leal sees this acquisition as part of GTV's strategy for disciplined growth. This move positions Golden Era Development as a vertically integrated platform for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Nicola Mining Inc., NIM, OTCQB highlights path forward as company sees cash flow, builds growth momentum. Nicola Mining Inc. CEO Peter Espig highlighted the company's path forward as it transitions to a true operator with cash flow. The Merritt Mill and Tailings Facility in British Columbia is fully permitted and strategically located. With a growing demand for gold, silver, and copper, Nicola Mining is uniquely positioned to generate revenue while advancing its exploration portfolio. Unlike many junior mining peers, Nicola Mining is already producing and processing, earning revenue, and advancing its precious metals assets for near-term profitability and long-term expansion. This provides investors with a rare opportunity to participate in a junior company with tangible results. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.